In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a YouTube desktop application on your Windows 11 computer. Now guys, let me show you something. If you click on the Windows icon here and you go to the Microsoft Store, right? And if you type in YouTube, right, and search for it, you notice there's no YouTube application here within the Microsoft Store. So you're wondering, how are you going to get this application? No worries. All you have to do, guys, just simply open up any browser that you have. For example, I have Google Chrome here, right? And all you have to do is just simply go to youtube.com. And once you're at YouTube, guys, if you look within the address bar here to the right hand side, you see two options now. You have the bookmark option, and you also have this new button here that says install. So you're going to simply click install YouTube. This will give you a pop-up. You click install, and this will install the YouTube desktop application on your Windows computer, guys. How amazing is that? Now, as you can see, I have the YouTube application here. You can easily now use this application every time you want. So now you can simply right click on this application and click pin to taskbar, or you can simply search for it, guys, and simply search for YouTube. And once you find the application, you can simply right click on it and you can easily pin this application to start. So now once you're ready, you can click on this Windows icon again, and here on the pin you should be able to find the YouTube application. And guys, that's how easy it is to install YouTube desktop application on your Windows 11 computer. Now guys, I really hope you found some value within this video, and if you do, go ahead, give this video a like, and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if there's any tutorial that you'd like me to share with you. I'll be happy to make them. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Joe Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and feel free to subscribe to this channel in order to see much more videos coming out every single week, just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.